The world is a loud, crowded trap for your focus. We live in an era where your attention is the most valuable commodity on Earth, and thousands of engineers are working right now to steal it from you. Most men die with their potential still locked inside them because they never learned how to shut out the noise. You are not most men. You are here for the protocol. 21 days to disappear. 21 days to rebuild. Welcome to the Monk Mode Lab. This is not a challenge. It is a fundamental rewiring of your neurochemistry. Before we build, we must understand why you are broken. Your brain is currently addicted to cheap dopamine. Every notification, every scroll, every like is a chemical hit that weakens your willpower. You have been conditioned to be a spectator in your own life. Today, that ends. Week 1 is the purge. You must starve your distractions to feed your focus. In the lab, we follow the rule of ruthless elimination. If it does not serve your mission, it is an enemy. This means no social media, no news, and no digital noise. You will feel bored. You will feel restless. Most people quit by day 3 because they cannot handle being alone with their own thoughts. But boredom is the forge where your focus is sharpened. When the noise stops, your true voice begins to speak. This is the dopamine detox. We are clearing the static so you can finally see the signal. During this week, your only job is to exist in the silence and observe how much your mind tries to trick you into returning to the trap. Stand firm. The silence is where your power lives. Week 2, the foundation. Now that the noise is gone, we build. Discipline is not a punishment. It is the ultimate flex of freedom. During the foundation, you implement the non-negotiables. First, 30 minutes of daily meditation to strengthen the prefrontal cortex. Second, 1 hour of intense physical training to remind the body who is in charge. Third, 4 hours of deep, uninterrupted work on your primary goal. These are not suggestions. If you miss a single day, you start the 21 days over. We are not here to try. We are here to transform. Treat your body like a temple, not a trash can. Your morning routine is your battle plan. Every drop of sweat is a tribute you pay to your future self. By the end of this week, you will notice a change. Your energy will be consistent. Your thoughts will be sharp. You are no longer reacting to the world. You are moving through it with intent. Week 3, mastery. The world starts to notice your silence. By now, the fog has lifted. You have stopped being a slave to your impulses. This is where you launch your project. This is where you make the moves you were too afraid to make 14 days ago. The science is simple. By restricting cheap dopamine, you have sensitized your brain to the hard things. Work that used to feel like a chore now feels like a mission. You are the architect of your own reality now. Like a lion in a storm, the world may rage around you, but you remain unmoved. You have built a fortress within yourself that no notification can penetrate. You are no longer the person who started this protocol. You are an initiate of the lab. The 21 days will pass anyway. Who will you be when they're over? The lab is now open, but it only works for those who do the work. This is the way. Subscribe to the lab and join the elite. The clock is ticking.